Hey y'all, it's Nanny, Nanny Homestead. I have been back here at the cabin now for about a week, and I was doing some cleaning up, hence the reason for my beautiful day cap to keep my hair out of my eyes. And all of a sudden I look down and I see something growing. I know it may be hard to see, but back in the fall, I took this box. It's this little wooden box that I made. It's kind of like a flower box, and I've always just planted flowers in it. But someone had given me some rhubarb seeds, and I'd never grown rhubarb before. My family, I wasn't raised, with my family growing rhubarb. We just never did. And I don't know why, but we just didn't. So I personally had no experience at growing rhubarb. And I wanted to try growing some. And a friend of mine gave me these seeds, and I stuck some in the ground. And last year they sprouted up, 4 or 5 inches tall. And from what I've read and learned about rhubarb is, it takes a year or so to get it going. And I thought, well, you know what? I don't even know if it's going to make or do anything. But I think I'll try. Because, in the fall when it died back, I thought, well, I don't know. I don't know what to do or how to do it, I'm just going to do what everybody's saying I need to do, and that's just kind of cover it up with some mulch and leave it alone, and it'll come back out next spring, and then you go start having some rhubarb. And I looked down at my little box, which was sitting here on the floor, because I didn't want to leave it outside. So I left it in the house with the leaves and the mulch over the top of it. And sure enough, I looked down earlier at my box, and here was this little rhubarb starting to shoot up with little fresh leaves opening up on it out from under the mulch leaves. And I just got so happy. It's about, I don't know, that tall on my hands, just above my knuckles. And I'm sure it's going to get much bigger, but I got rhubarb. If you're wondering what this thing is, it's a little flower stake. That's a turtle with a mama turtle with a baby turtle on her back. It's just a little cutie thing you put in your flower boxes. But anyway, I just thought that was the most amazing thing. I'm a rhubarb grower now. I'm so happy. Now, I've also got some other things that I'm growing. I think what I planted was some loofah sponge gourds. The reason for that is because my middle daughter wanted to start growing her own loofahs, and I told her I had some some seeds. I told her I had some seeds and that I would grow some and get them started for her, and then she could finish growing them at her place. Then I've got some kidney beans, red kidney beans, cranberry beans, and I've got some red beans. And then I'm just going to do a few tomatoes this year because I really don't have my garden spot made yet. So here at this homestead, so what I'm going to do is just find a few places, especially up by that wood pile where those butt logs was at, because those logs are just like rotten now. So they've made some great earth underneath it. So I'm going to dig in a few spots up there and just plant a few random tomato plants up there in that, just to get something growing. I just can't stand it. It's been 4 years, yes, 4 years since I've had a garden, and I am itching to grow something. Now I'm also going to get in on that thing that Papa Pepper has going with those snake gourds. That's going to be amazing to see what everybody is doing. If you want to see his challenge video, I'll try to link it here. What else do I have? I got, with my tomatoes, I have Cherokee Purple and Black Cream. Those are the two that I'm going to do this year. And I've also got some crookneck squash that I'm going to do because I really, really love crookneck squash. So I've got some of those going. And I've started some garlic. That's about all I got going right now. But I just wanted to share my rhubarb with you. I am so happy about that. The simplest things just make me so happy. Down below what y'all's gonna be growing, something you're excited about growing. I want to hear what you are excited about growing. I'll talk to y'all later.